Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to replace air filter. So you have to have the 20 Torx. We open 4 20 Torx screws with that one right here, and then the last one is just right on top over here. Alright guys, what remains here guys is a 10 millimeter. So I'm gonna use a gun, 10 millimeter guys. I'm just gonna like take it out from here, right here on top, right here. Once that is out guys, we'll be able to just pull it back like that. Don't pull it all the way, just lever it like that, and then get enough space. Then pull out the filter guys from inside, which is the one which is already dirty. Get that one out, and then once that is out guys, you can put that to the side and then just get a new one. You replace it with a new one, just like that. So guys, once that is out, you just make sure it's the same size. You just compare, make the same size, and then once it's done, you can pull it in right like that. And then guys, you can do the process in reverse. You can put back the 10 millimeter, and then you can put back guys the Torx 20. You tighten all of them. Just make sure all of them are tightened. But also guys, before you do all this, make sure the filter sits well on in there, so that it doesn't like have a bulge or something. Alright guys, this is the last ball which you guys have to just pour it in, just tighten it, and it should be good to go. Everything is good to go. Alright, thank you guys.